Xiaomi is now the third largest smartphone maker in the world and the fastest growing amongst the top 5. And that is what Mi 11 is about. Mi 11 features a primary 108 megapixel camera, 123 degrees ultra-wide, and tele-macro lenses. Magic Zoom lets you create background-only zoom to change perception. Time Freeze lets you isolate and freeze just part of your video, whilst Freeze Frame lets you create and catch up with moving clones. Very cool. And Slow Shutter lets you create unique artistic blurs, all with just a single click. But what if there's almost no light? Ultra night mode is...
Now it's dark in here. But as you can see, Mi 11 performs incredibly well.
For our first time globally, Mi 11 will offer HDR10+. Our camera setup in Mi 11 includes our custom 108 megapixel sensor. This sensor is huge, big detail, and lots of light. 108 megapixels gives you the maximum amount of detail, like here. Beyond that, we've included an ultra-wide, which has become a necessity over recent years. Ultra-wide angle is perfect for looking up. Finally, we have telemacro. It captures beautiful macro photos, like this small blueberry in this glass of tea here. Mi 11 exceeds and outperforms in every category versus the iPhone 12 Pro. This is 30% faster than in previous generations. Competitor and previous generation smartphones are limited to night mode on a single primary camera, but we will extend it to ultra-wide and the selfie cameras as well. With one of the world's best 108 megapixel camera, 8K, and some of our most advanced software experiences ever, Mi 11 has taken videography and photography to a whole new level. WQHD+, simply put, is nearly double the resolution of the typical smartphone display, featuring 515 pixels per inch, making it one of the most detailed displays in the entire world. We've added super resolution. It's upscaling technology, which can up to triple the resolution of videos you see, including those found on YouTube, Netflix, and more. With high refresh rates of 120 Hz, not only did we use a higher refresh rate than competitors, we've used a 4-stage adaptive sync that automatically adjusts the content, saving battery while offering the best possible image quality. Mi 11 offers the highest touch sampling in the market. It's how often Mi 11 detects your touch per second. The iPad offers a touch refresh rate of up to 240. And professional drawing pads used by designers typically cap out at 200. We use a cutting-edge E4 AMOLED. Mi 11 offers you HDR10+ display as well. Here, you can clearly see a difference that Mi 11 is setting a new cinematic standard. We also set new records for display performance across 13 categories. And that standard is far and beyond those offered by other phones in the industry. Here, we put it next to the iPhone 12 Pro so you can compare. Mi 11 features sound by Harman Kardon to ensure that the high-quality speakers in Mi 11 are flawlessly tuned for your listening pleasure. It's a pair of excellent dual speakers. We're offering something very, very cool. Dual headphone and speaker support via Bluetooth 5.2. What this means is that you can connect to 2 Bluetooth devices to your Mi 11. You can connect to 2 Bluetooth speakers, place them in different corners of your room to give you a very different sound experience, or 2 sets of headphones so you can listen comfortably with your friend or significant other.
The color appears uniform, but appears different at different angles. And midnight gray are breathtaking. And maybe equally important for some of you, they're highly resistant to fingerprints, such as an incredibly elegant white. Mi 11 is curved on all sides, so both the front and the back use Corning Gorilla Glass. So we've used the toughest Corning Gorilla Glass yet, Gorilla Glass Victus. Gorilla Glass Victus will survive drops onto rough, hard surfaces from up to 2 meters. This will cover your full height. Additionally, the scratch resistance is 4 times better than competitive glasses. This makes Mi 11 our most durable display yet. Mi 11 is 0.9 millimeters thinner and 12 grams lighter than the previous generation. Now, this single piece of glass doesn't feature any small gaps in between the layers. Inside, we trimmed the corner of our 108 megapixel camera module. This ensures that we can reduce the size of the camera bump. We decided to emulate the form of audio waves, with just the right amount of something that sets it apart.
Mi 11 was the world's very first smartphone launched with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. What makes this processor so special? 5G support and groundbreaking 5nm processing. This allows an overall increase of 30% in performance versus previous generation, 745,000. Mi 11 is really ready to power your performance. This GPU sports a performance improvement of 35%. To celebrate the launch of Mi 11, we will begin a collaboration with the most popular mobile game of the year in 2020, Genshin Impact. More details to come, so stay tuned. We are also giving you an update on MIUI.
And features tons of different advancements like a new control center and system optimizations. You can start getting ready for MIUI 12.5. This is an intermediate update based on MIUI 12 with focus on system optimizations. This makes your system experience smoother and faster than ever. Most system apps could be uninstalled, as we can see here in the middle. And some app package are included in the system core, but their icons could be hidden as well. And compared to other operating systems, MIUI 12.5 is as simple as it gets. And most importantly, for our first release schedule, Mi 11, of course, will be included in the first batch of devices to receive the update. And the first wave of MIUI 12.5 rollout will start in Q2 of 2021. And for our second wave, we'll be pushing for updates to more than 11 different Xiaomi devices.
Wi-Fi is an area of constant focus and innovation for us. For the first time in our global markets, we'll be offering 55 watts wired charging in just 45 minutes. Wireless charging max speeds have typically lagged behind wired. This is why we are offering 50 watts wireless charging in Mi 11. This will juice you up in just 53 minutes. To put it in context, Mi 11 wired charging is half the time of competitor flagships. We're sorry to say that we are not including an inbox 18 watts charger this time. This is because you probably have a number of those already. In exchange, we are including a 55 watt gallium nitride charger. We realize that very few people have chargers of this capacity, so we made sure to include it. It's that it is capable of charging more of your gear, including laptops, gaming consoles, and smartphones. 55 watts wired charging, 55 watts inbox DAN charger, 50 watts wireless charging. And we've even included 10 watts wireless reverse charging. To ensure that the show can keep going, we've also included a 4,600 milliamps big battery. Next to competition, it's clear which phone deserves the spotlight. Bigger battery, faster charging, reverse wireless charging, and an included 55 watts DAN charger inbox. Mi 11 is ready to power your performance. This is probably the very best flagship phone for 2021. First, we support heart rate monitoring. Let me show you. All you have to do is put your thumb on it. This is really useful for tracking your daily health or monitoring your workouts. Mi 11 features higher maximum vibration and a shorter start-stop time. So we've included an antibacterial case and screen protector inbox. You can see that similar devices cost over 1,000 euros. But for those of you who know us, and of course that includes all of you, you know that we believe in honest prices. So Mi 11 will start at 749 euros full retail price. It's going to be available to a variety of global carriers, such as the following leading carriers and more, with further details to come. And we're so confident in Mi 11, we'll be offering a 2-year warranty free of charge. This is double of what is typically given by other flagships. Furthermore, we'll replace first-time damaged screen glass absolutely free of charge within the first year, so you can use your flagship Mi 11 with more peace of mind. Better display, better processor, better camera, bigger battery, faster charging. Mi 11 is truly worthy of the spotlight. As we said at the start, amazing products at all prices. More details on availability for specific regions will follow shortly, so please stay tuned to your local official social media channels. This is the Mi 11 Legend Special Edition. This extremely limited edition is going to be available in extremely limited quantities very soon.
It's got 75 inches of 4K ultra high definition, 120 Hz refresh rate, that HDMI 2.1 I mentioned a second ago, support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, stereo speakers, and automatic low latency mode. It's truly a gamer's dream display. I know I would have loved to have had a couple of these in our living room back in college. That's without Dolby Vision, Android TV, or Google Assistant, starting from just 1,299 euros. This price is truly incredible. Mi TV Q1 75-inch will be available starting in March of 2021 in Italy, France, Germany, Poland, and Spain through Mi.com and authorized Mi stores. Just 999 euros. Again, limited quantity, limited availability, and first day of sale only on Mi.com in Italy, France, Germany, and Spain. The Mi TV Q1 75-inch, 4K QLED, 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision and HDR10+, MEMC, full array local dimming, Android TV and Google Assistant built in, all for just 1,299 euros. You can get this incredible TV for less than 1,000 euros. It's time for you to live life in quantum clarity. I'm proud to introduce the Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2 Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula 1 Team Edition with speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour on up to 20% inclines. On top of that, your battery will last for up to 45 kilometers. Of course, the best also means the best safety features. The Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 Team Edition will be equipped with bright headlights, rear brake lights, and reflectors to ensure you're seen by others on the road at night, all in the bold design of the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula 1 team. Just 799 euros. Sales will be starting soon via Mi.com, authorized Mi stores, and local retailers. Follow local social media channels for more details. Ride with the best. The Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2 Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula 1 Team Edition is waiting for you. Available soon.
Mi 11, Mi TV Q1 75-inch, and our Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 Team Edition scooter.